Put your career in the fast lane with the Automotive Service Technician Certificate at Parkland College. If you enjoy working with your hands and troubleshooting and problem solving, then think about enrolling in the Automotive Service Technician program. Cars and trucks these days are pretty much computers on wheels. That means current repair skills and training are in high demand at dealerships, service departments, and mechanic shops. The Automotive Service Technician program is a one-year Sask Polytech certificate. It's offered at our automotive garage in Yorkton, not far from the Trades and Technology Centre. Our classes are delivered through blended learning, a combination of online and face-to-face classes, but you still get plenty of hands-on time working on vehicles with guidance from our experienced industry-trained instructors. After the program, you can apply for technical training credit and trade time with Sask Apprenticeship to get on the road to journey person status. This program is first qualified, first admitted. You're more likely to be accepted the sooner you complete the application process. It requires a grade 12 diploma. Special admission is available, and there's an English language requirement. Automotive Service is a 37-week program, beginning in the fall and running until June. We are currently accepting applications, so make an academic advising appointment to get started on your career.